Hi, this is SLK from the Unity community, and this is update video 4 for Advanced Inventory System version 3.1. Let's get started. I added in the crafting table and the shops again. They are all working. I also rebuilt the item compiler for when you want to compile it to a prefab. You specify the folder you wish it to go in. I have it going in prefabs and items. It'll also create the folder if it does not exist. You can either build them individually or you can click build all and it'll open up a progress window. Before I was using the utility show progress bar method, but I didn't like the lack of information I got with that, so I developed this, and it shows you what item it's currently building, as well as creates a nice little log at the bottom of it and lets you know how many were successful, how many were skipped, and how many failed to help you keep better track of that. You can just, after it's done building, you can close this, and then there's your items right there. All nicely built. The shopkeep and the crafting thing haven't changed since version 3. You add requirements and things like that. You set the output item, apply settings, go to your shopkeep, you can add items to the shop. Let's add a tower shield. And then now you can just hit play and play the game. And then collect your items. Open up your shop. Hey, look. We have a potion, so we're able to craft an elixir bottle. There's your inventory. That's how much money you have. These are things you can buy, things you can sell, all that fun stuff. So, not much else has changed, actually. Just those two major features, which took me a while to do. Item types hasn't changed, system hasn't changed. I will be adding in a second tab here that will allow you to customize other features like the action key, as well as some other things like color settings for highlighting items and things like that before I release this. So I'd like to know what you guys think about this and any other features you'd like to maybe see in this system. Things like that. So for those of you who don't want your an inventory system where items can take up more than one slot, then you don't have to. You can just set all the required cells and rows to 1 and it'll just behave like the original version. So, oh, one other thing I did add in that I'm still perfecting is item rotation. You'll see that the item rotates. This does get kind of complicated for things like this because it's a 1x3 cell, so when I rotate it, it doesn't scale properly. But I am working on fixing that. I'm hoping to have that fixed before it's released. If not, it will get fixed with the next update. So, but this is going to make it useful for things that like take up like a really tall space with an inventory with a really short space. and you can just rotate, and now you have extra space. Same with like swords and bottles. It really helps you keep better organization of your inventory. So, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm looking forward to your comments. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.